Hey guys, it is October and this month really is just flying by. I don't know, like I'm slowly getting back into like a work routine, but not really at the same time. Finally kind of, I don't know, I guess adjusting to mom life, even though what even is adjustment at this point? But yeah, I wanted to do a little video about what's going on in my life lately, this month basically, because I haven't been able to get out and actually do fun videos of adventures and all that fun, like, you know, all the fun usual shenanigans we get up to, but we will soon. We do have some travel coming up in the next couple months, which I'm very excited about. But obviously no rush. You only have a baby once, or you know, this experience once, so just taking the time to embrace whatever comes our way. But yeah, this month has been better than the last months. Baby Mateo is growing like crazy. He is learning things. It's fun now. It's not really just like having this creature that you just have to carry around with you all the time. You know, he's smiling, he's being more interactive, which is just so much fun. I really don't understand why so many people say that the newborn phase is the best part. I mean, maybe because they sleep so much, but I find it's not very great because you just feel so stuck. And I was even getting into a bit of a rut there where I just felt like I couldn't go out because it was too hot, which, I mean, that's still the case. But, you know, I'm able to make more effort now that he's more awake all the time, and, you know, we can do more stuff with him. And obviously the older he gets, the more he'll be able to get out and do fun things. But yeah, the heat here is a bit of a killer. I did end up getting a portable fan for a stroller, which is like a lifesaver. I also got a digital thermometer, so I can kind of be a bit more aware of the temperature, and, you know, I was just getting a lot of anxiety about that, and maybe it was not necessarily necessary. I don't know, not necessarily necessary, but yeah, it was worth it. I don't get as much anxiety now, and I know if it's like over 32 degrees, we're going home because it's just way too hot, and this is just not cool to have a baby in a stroller. Because yeah, I was getting major anxiety about that, and it turns out that it's not 32 degrees all too often, so thankfully that's the case. But anyways, today we are going to the beach in Manuel Antonio, and this is Mateo's second time ever going. We do not go there very often anymore because of the heat and our schedules and everything. It just hasn't been so easy, but I'm super excited. And this was actually also Mateo's first time going on the bus, and honestly it was so much more stress-free, so much easier than I expected it to be, so I was super happy about that. I also got myself a bouquet of flowers because I found out that there's a flower shop in Capos, so I got that just to brighten up the house a little bit. morning, guys. We are going today to go and get coffee with Sarah, actually. I don't think I'll be filming much of the actual meetup because, surprise, surprise, my best friend Sarah is also pregnant and we just haven't seen each other in a very long time. So we just want to do like a big catch up, and you know, I don't want to have cameras right in front of us the whole time. Plus, it's going to be really hectic because I'm bringing Mateo with me. So, yeah, I probably won't show too much of it, but we're going to get out for a bit, and I'm so excited. So, yes, first time going on the bus by myself with Mateo. I'm pretty nervous, but I think we'll do it just fine because we already got to practice with Luis the other day. So, yeah, let's go get some coffee. Oh, by the way, we are going to La Panera in Quepos, where they just recently renovated. They opened up like a whole second section. It has AC and it looks really pretty, and the food is pretty good. I went previously and I got waffles and eggs and bacon, and it was really good. So I don't know what I'm gonna get today, but I'm excited. Let's go. See? That's us. It's you. Good morning. It is Monday and it is pouring rain. I got woken up at like 4 a.m. from thunder and lightning, and this guy, he was sleeping like an angel until about 5, and now it's 6:30. We had plans to go for a walk, and obviously that's not happening. But yeah, I guess we'll have to kind of just hang out and see what's good for today. I think I have a bit of work, but I think for now I'm just gonna hang out. I kind of want to cook something, but we'll see what happens if he lets me. And I was thinking carrot cake, but what's up? The sun's out, guys. You know what that means? We're going for a little walk because we need to get out of this house. We didn't go for a walk yesterday, and we woke up to rain today, and baby's being fussy, and we just need to get back into that walking routine. So gotta get the stroller outside. Oh my god, your legs are so strong. Oh my god, your legs are so strong.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. His legs are so strong. Oh my.
It is so nice out. It was really cloudy a few minutes ago, but the sun came out for a few minutes. But it doesn't feel like normal sun heat from like here. It's refreshing. I'm not dying of heat. And little Mateo is smiling so much. But yeah, I needed to get out. I feel like I've just been trapped inside with a baby. Last night we popped out real quick to pick up Luis's car that just got painted and go to the grocery store for a second, but that's obviously not enough. Like, I need to clear my mind. Hopefully I get some time for myself today too, but look at this. Okay, now you're not smiling because you're staring at the camera.
Well guys, we are really getting into the autumn spirit, as not autumny as it is here. You know, I guess the rain kind of does make it feel a little more like fall, which I do appreciate. But yeah, we've been doing a bit of baking. I've been making pumpkin loaf, and it's weird. We get these special pumpkins here that are, I think they're the same as like the Japanese kabocha, I believe they're called, pumpkins. So they're not like the bright orange ones, but hey, it does the job. So I've been going crazy and making pumpkin loaf lately, and it's delicious. And thankfully, I've had time. I usually just do it when like Luis is home, so that he can be hanging out with little babers right here. The other day we saw a snake while we went on our walk. And it's like a rat hunting snake, but here we also call it Mika. It's pretty terrifying. Like, it was huge. I mean, it wasn't terrifying because it was not alive anymore, but nonetheless it was terrifying. And it's weird because someone literally, like, it was in the gutter and someone or something lifted it out of the gutter and laid it across the sidewalk so it looked like it was alive. Not really sure why, but yeah, it was creepy having to pass that. The rain has been pretty consistent this month, so it's been nice to feel like I can just live a little slower and cooler. I also love a good rainy day walk. Let me know if you enjoyed this realistic look into my life in Costa Rica. As we all know, life isn't always exciting and on the go, no matter where you are. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe for more Costa Rica content. Bye!